smart, bibo, at higit sa lahat, very thoughtful. And today, we will be celebrating his second birthday party. So friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pride and pleasure to present to you our today's birthday boy, Mugen Liam Manalang Piana. Palakpakan naman ang ating birthday boy, together with Ami Amo.
Taka dapat dapat kilala.
Alright, syempre, but before we start, may we call Lola LV para sa ating opening prayer. Lola LV.
Good afternoon po kay bayo po nga gana happy birthday po yan. Kung panalangin po, makuya niya po ipang mayupaya, king sabla, Maestro Jesus, Emmanuel, hindi ka po yung punat penny batani hila kami biyat sikar na. Sana po niling kaurasan mag-enjoy rin kaya tamang anak, makanya mo na po kami. Kami pong pamilyang dinatangin kay sana hindi na niya pa pong makabang yun, mayari yan kanyang pamagal. Makanya mo naman po, datang yung panahon, yabe-yabe lang kanyang pengari. Makanya mo naman po, Junel, sana kayong darating ang panahon, kaya susunod na pang birthday, maging kayabe at maging masayahin ka rin ang paniyabe-yabe ni Papamilya. Makanya mo po, kung dalang na salamat, sana po, patubayan na tayo kaya katang lino. Kinagyo na po ng ipati nga nakakimbalan mo po ng Espiritu Santo.
Alright, thank you so much, Lola LV. Okay guys, please share me standing. Samahan niyo akong kantahan ng isang malakas, masaya, at syempre pumapalakpak na birthday song for Mugen. Alright, everybody, clap your hands. Let's go. Hey to you, everybody sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time, happy birthday to you. Everybody sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, everybody say happy birthday, Mugen. Happy birthday, Mugen. Okay, a big hand para sa ating birthday boy, Mugen Liam. Palakpakan naman natin. Okay guys, you may now take your seat and of course, Mommy Apple, please stay with me. Dito tayo sa gitna.